Hello Stampers, and welcome to Laura's Stamp Pad. Today I'm sharing with you this fabulous designer series paper reveal. This is one of the new in color sets that is in the new 2021 annual catalog with Stampin' Up! This is a 6x6 in color designer series paper. There's 40 sheets to this pack, 4 each of the 2 double-sided designs in each of the 5 in colors. So you can see that there is Cinnamon Cider, Magenta Madness, Just Jade, Misty Moonlight, and Bumblebee. So I'm going to go through each of the sheets. You can see that it's the same pattern for each of the 5 colors. So I'm just going to go through each one in one of the colors. And right now you can pause this video and let me know in the comments which color you think is my favorite, and we'll see if you're right. Okay, so is Magenta Madness your pick, and is it your favorite color? You guys all know how much I love pink, so you probably aren't very surprised that that was the color I picked, but I'm super, super loving that color. Although now that I've been playing with some of these colors, I'm really loving the Just Jade and Misty Moonlight as well. So, so it's super exciting. Let me know what your favorite color is in the comments below, because I can't wait to start using these colors even more, and I'd love to showcase ones that are also in your favorite colors. So let me know yours in the comments below. And I also wanted to let you guys know that the wording on this one actually says in multiple languages to love what we do and share what we love. So if you were wondering what that was written on there, that is the phrase. And I hope you guys enjoyed this designer series paper reveal. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Be sure to subscribe if you're new, and check out all the other designer series paper reveals for the 2021 annual catalog. Happy stamping, everyone. Bye-bye.